Hey, what's up there crew? Matt Vasallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. In this quick video, I'm going to show you with our business sign live template mini pack 2 here, just how to get some cool mock-ups like this one right here, where you can show the actual decal on the front of a storefront window or door. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to CorelDRAW here. Now this is a PNG file that comes with that actual mini pack. So if I wanted to add this into the software here, I'm going to come over in the TRW Design Wizard to my mockup creator or the M creator here. We know that the width of this door is 30 inches. So I'm going to put 30 inches because I want to show the full width. Okay, so create design placement. It's going to give me my box right here. I'm going to measure this box to be the width of the door, which is 30 inches, and then wherever I want to place it, I'm going to say right there. Highlight the entire design, including the box. Now, I want to add a new category and add storefront. So, I'm going to add a new folder. I'm going to put storefront and hit OK. That's going to add a storefront folder, and I'm going to name this front door 1. And then all I'm going to do is hit Save Custom Product. So now that product is saved into our TRW Design Wizard forever. Now let's go ahead and get one of those decals. So I'm going to go to Open Template. I'm going to go to our business and our CDR file. And let's just say we wanted to bring this Surf Expo one in here. So I'm going to click on that Surf Expo design here. It's going to open up my file. And now that I have this, okay, I want to get it to the size. So let's just say that we wanted this design to be 24 inches wide. Okay, so I'm going to measure this out to about 24 inches and resize my workspace. There we go. Let's change the text around. Maybe now it's not for a Surf Expo, and maybe now it's for the Lido Beach, Sun, and Fun. And that is in Sarasota, Florida. So we just edited all of that. Let's highlight this. Now we're just going to break apart our effects. And now that we have that, we want this Lido Beach in Sarasota, Florida to kind of knock out of this black area. So it's the window showing through. So I'm just going to weld those together, shift click on the back, and then do a back minus front. And what that did is it's going to show the actual, and you can see when I move this, it's actually showing through. So now that we have that, we're just going to make it a white decal. So I'm going to highlight it. It's a white decal now. I'm going to go to mockups. Our new area that we created is storefront right there. And there's our storefront window. Click on that actual storefront and boom, there it is perfectly on the front window of this storefront. Pretty awesome. So if you do have any questions, make sure to give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. This pack is our business sign mini pack live template volume 2, and then it is on the website, and I'm going to put a link to this pack right below this video here. So thanks for watching. Make sure to click that like button, subscribe, comment below, let me know what you think, and you guys have a great day. Later.